Alright, so right now we're swapping the seat. It's wired?
Yeah, you gotta make sure you get.
Oh yeah, the connectors.
Plug it. You know, the older bikes don't have heated seats.
I'm gonna give you your. I want to hold back on too.
Oh, sure.
I don't want to drop that.
Sure, thank you.
Yeah, you can see the big difference. Yeah, sit on it and see.
Yeah.
Definitely a good bit more. Yeah, so that should feel a lot different.
So we just changed the seat to the tall one. Yeah. I'm not sure I can tell, but I feel that it's better. Can't believe I am actually buying this. So this almost officially now is my own GS 1300, and according to them, I'm the second one in this area at least to get it. Gotta get the crash guards that I've already ordered, upper and lower. Gonna probably put the handlebar risers. So this one comes with all the electronic options except for the Enduro package. So that's nice of them. And this one does not have the all-terrain tires. They're absolutely road tires. That's what I wanted. It rode much better than with the one with the all-terrain tires. Alright, so take 3. Now apparently this bike has been sold to me. I just haven't paid for it. But just want to make sure that I really want this GS 1300, which is an amazing bike. But I also love the XRs. Both of them, the one that I ride with first gen, and this is the second gen that they have. So I am just contemplating on exactly what's the best thing to do here. But let's just see. All right, Jim. Thank you. Yeah, I will. Thank you. All right. So finally, I feel bad about letting go the XR, but got this. Hey, Jim. So thanks for making it happen.
Congrats, Imran.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.
We have Paul's joining us here.
Hi, Paul. How are you doing?
Are you?
Nice meeting you.
Congrats. The key handoff here with the Bob's key fob, keychain. We don't give those out. That's a membership badge. Thanks.
Oh,
again.
wow. Okay, awesome.
Right,
Thank you.
Here it is. So.
Thank you. Now I can't wait to get the panniers.
Yeah.
And
Close up here. You got a paparazzi here. Get a shot of you doing your little photo.
let me take off my helmet for that. Thank you. But this is not my only perception. It is actually more comfortable, right?
I mean, it's going to be more comfortable because it has more padding.
Yeah. That's what I was wondering. The rear radar is responsible for providing blind spot monitoring that is integrated in these mirrors, and the front radar for adaptive cruise control, which is this. And the hand guards are really cool. They have the turn signals integrated in there. That's pretty good. I just can't wait to put the crash bars and everything that I need, panniers. And the panniers basically are electronically locked. So you see this where the panniers go, and then you have the light and the electronic lock. So centrally locking panniers. Not bad at all. And another thing, the way they've done the seat and overall treatment in this section is pretty good. Seat is very, I think it's some sort of a rubbery material. It's not obviously leather, nobody wants it. But this continues, this soft touch material all the way up to here with some inserts over here from plastic. So it's really well done overall. Very quality feel that you get. All right, thank you, sir.
Thanks, Imran. Appreciate it.
Have a good one. 2024 BMW GS 1300 with a comfort seat now. Oh, with this seat, basically I have to put a handlebar riser, and I also have to put the windshield deflector on this. So because the windshield at the highest setting is really not covering it. Okay, in Dynamic Pro, this is like a sports bike. I mean, it's a little softer overall, but you feel the bumps a lot more than when you're in the road mode on this. High-speed stability is absolutely fantastic too. My God, this really handles well. So the notion that it's not a fun bike is absolutely wrong. It is absolutely wrong. You can have a lot of fun with this, and more than you would like in some cases, because it's just that good in its implementation overall. The engine sound can help if it was a little bit better, but regardless, it's very well behaved. Hello everybody, this is Imran Jamil once again. So this is the GS, and this will be in the upcoming videos. What we're doing today is one of the first things that I do with any bike that I buy, and specifically in this one I feel the need. First of all, I'm really so far astonished by everything that this bike offers. And I was never a GS person, as I said before. I had some issues with the quick shifter, getting used to it, but the people commented that, okay, you know, you don't want to be throttle off while shifting and things like that. Please just go ahead and ride the motorcycles that have really good quick shifters. It does not matter, and it should not matter. So it's getting there though. Now I'm getting the hang of it. Having said that, what we are doing today are two things. First things first, I have relatively bigger hands, so I always, another thing that I put in are the rubber or the foam grips. And a lot of people ask me if putting that foam grip like this one, I haven't opened it yet, but I have them on my K1600 GTL. So those really work very well with the heated element that is inside of that. So it doesn't really hinder that much. And they've got good heated grips. So we're going to change that. It's not that big of a deal. Generally, in this one, I would have to unscrew this so that the handguard basically leaves me space to slip it in. We'll make a video of that, so we'll cover that in there. Right now, what we're doing is, first thing is the handlebar risers. All right, everybody.